Hi. I watched the video about the Mic Air and about firmware updates making difference to sound quality and to distance range. Now that was with a software or firmware version 1.0020, and now we're at 1.0029 on the firmware on the Mic Air, so I thought I would test out the same test again and work it out. I'm using a laser measuring device to determine the exact distances of 25 feet and 50 feet used in the original test. So now I'm going to move to the 25 meter while talking. I can see that the microphone, which is here, which is active, is operative right now, and we're going to see if my sound any different at 25 feet, which is actually exactly at the end of my garden. So I'm walking up to the end of the garden with my back to the camera, and nearly there. So this is the 25-foot range, and I can check that on my device, and it will tell me that I am 7.43 meters, which is just about 25 feet, maybe one step back. Okay, and I'm talking into the Mic Air, and you should be able to hear me clearly, and I'll turn my back just to see if that makes a difference, and probably not. You probably can still hear me. So I'm now going to move backwards slowly, talking all the time, so that you can see if the range changes makes a difference in the audio. And I'm moving up to the 50 foot range. I'd measured this beforehand, so I know exactly where it is, and I should be at 50 feet right now. And I'll just check that with my laser measurement device, and it tells me, still measuring, 15.4 meters, well 15.2 meters of 50 feet, so I'm about 20 centimeters over the limit, which is fine. And so now if you can still hear me, and this then the stability improvements have been made. I'm going to turn around and see if you can still hear me now. That is still talking, and I'm 50 feet with my back to the camera, now turning around, see if the audio is still there, and I'm going to move back even further. I'm going to move back to about 70 feet, which is here. I'll just do another check with my laser gun. I'm at 19.7 meters away from the camera. So in fact, it's almost 20 meters. I'll just take a step back. It's 20 meters. So 20 meters should be quite a distance. Can you still hear me? Am I still clearly to be heard? If not, I'm going to try and move even further away. So doing another laser test as well. See if I'm still. I'm now at 23.7 meters away from the camera, and I'd be surprised if it's still working at this distance. And so I think this concludes the test with the latest firmware 1.0.0.29, which is. The last version which was tested by that guy was 2.0, and he'd already lost the signal at this range. So now I'm going to walk back to the camera, and so if the voice is lost, maybe it'll be pick up when I get closer. So I'm now walking back along the tarmac. I should still be visible on the camera, and I'm going to go around the corner behind this hedge. And here I am again, and I'm heading back to the camera, and this basically concludes the test. Was the volume maintained? Was the connection maintained? I'm going to press the button, see, yeah, the microphone does seem to be still connected. So that concludes the test of whether the camera mic maintains the connection up to a tremendous distance. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for more content from me. A range of things, everything from camera tests to local happenings, sometimes 360 videos. Just subscribe to this video. Thank you.